In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization on Shopify so your customers can customize products directly from your online store. This is a great way to improve customer experience and increase sales for products like gifts, clothing, jewelry, and custom items. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, look for the online store section on the left sidebar and click on it. Next, select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. This is where you can personalize how your storefront and products appear to customers. Inside the theme editor, use the top drop-down menu to navigate to your product template or homepage depending on where you want the personalization options to appear. To create a custom personalized product layout, click on Create Template and give your new template a custom name so it's easier to identify later. After creating the template, Shopify will open additional customization settings where you can adjust how personalized products are displayed. Now head back to the Product section from your Shopify admin dashboard and click Add Product. Enter your product title, description, pricing, and other important details. For product images, click Upload New and add high-quality photos that clearly showcase the customizable product. Once your product information is ready, locate the theme template or product template option and change it from default product to the custom template you created earlier. This step applies your personalization layout to that specific product. If you want customers to enter custom text like names, initials, or messages, you can also add personalization fields using Shopify apps from the Shopify App Store. Popular personalization apps allow customers to upload images, choose colors, add engraving text, or select custom options directly on the product page. After everything looks good, click Save to publish your personalized product to your Shopify store. Before making the product live, preview the page to ensure the customization fields display correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully added personalization to your Shopify store, helping create a more engaging and customized shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching.